Good morning, Red Lions. How are you? I miss you. I love you. I hope you're having a good Friday. Look at my calendar. Do you see anything looks different? Yeah, it's a new month. Anybody know what month it is? January, February, March, April, May. It is May. Here's how you spell May. May. What do you hear at the beginning? The sound. So there's May, and we got all new letters we have to turn over. I've got some holidays on here. Let's look at the first one I see. This one. It is called, you see it? The light. It is called Cinco. There we go. Cinco de Mayo. It's the 5th of May, and that goes on the number 5. This one's a really important one over here. Comes after 9. 10. On the 10th, Sunday the 10th is Mother's Day. Don't forget to give your mommy a hug and treat her really nice, or anybody who is like a mommy to you, maybe a friend, an aunt, a grandma, whoever is a woman that you love, right? And then we got this flag down here. Everybody know what holiday is down here on this flag? You know, a holiday in May that think of it has to do with America. That's the American flag, right? It's called Memorial Day. Can you say Memorial Day? Memorial Day. It's a day where we remember soldiers and stuff who have fought and died for our country to help protect us. So it's a really important day too. All right. What day of the week is it? Let's do our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 What day is it? Friday. It's Fun Friday. What are you going to do that's fun today? I'm going to probably watch a movie with my sons tonight. All right. What number is this? Yeah, 1. Remember, when we're talking about the date, we say that as the 1st. Today is the 1st. Let's say the whole date. Today is Friday, May, we're going to say May 1st, 2020. All right, so if today is Friday, what was yesterday? It's Friday. What was yesterday? Couldn't hear you. Yes, Thursday. You got it. It was Thursday yesterday. All right. What's tomorrow? Comes after Friday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday. Good job. Saturday. Okay. Oops, I'm up there. What season is it? Still the same season. May is the last month that we're going to probably call. What is with my thing? What season? April showers bring May flowers. What season is that? Spring. And what's the weather like outside today? It's like outside your window. At my window, it is sunny. Yay, because yesterday was yucky with the rain. All right, let's switch to the. All right, we have been talking about coins. We're going to do our last coin today. You remember what coin this was? That's the penny. Do you remember what coin this one was? Nickel, yes. And this one. Dime, you got it right. You're so smart. Just those brains. And a penny is worth 1 cent. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. And a quarter's worth 25, right? If you've been practicing your song, the rap song, you should know it. We're going to read a book today called Quarters. Let's look at these quarters. Oh, let's do this before we start. Who writes the words? What's the name of the person who writes the words in a book? Yeah, an author. Remember, an author writes the words, an author writes the words. Hi ho the dairy-o, an author writes the words. Our author is Mary Hill. And is this fiction or nonfiction? What do you think? It's going to be nonfiction. It's facts. And remember, it's got the real pictures in it instead of drawings. Another clue, a nonfiction text feature, and some labels of, oops, wrong side, labels of our pictures. All right, let's read about quarters. Quarters are coins. Coins are a kind of money made of metal. Quarters are made of nickel and copper. Same thing as the other ones were made of, except the penny, right? Who is that? Anybody know who that is on the front of this quarter? Do you know who it is? It's the president, and we talked about him this year. What'd you say? Ooh, let's see if you were right. George Washington is on the front of the quarter. If you had it right, kiss your brain. He was the first president of the United States of America. So there's his face, just like the other ones we saw everyone's faces. Here's George Washington's head. It still says United States of America. Down here it says quarter dollar and liberty and God we trust. Okay. Some quarters have a bald eagle on their backs. That's an eagle. The bald eagle stands for strength. See it? There are also quarters that honor each state in the United States of America. These quarters have different pictures on their backs. These are a little harder to pick out as we're learning our coins because each state has a different picture on the back and it's hard to learn all 50 of them. But you can kind of tell it's the quarter by the size because the quarter is going to be the biggest coin. And it's also worth the most. Do you know how much a quarter is worth? We'll have to see. Many people like to collect the state quarters. So some people try and get one from each state. Here we go. A quarter is worth 25 pennies. So a quarter is worth 25 cents. Remember our song, 25 cents? Quarter is worth 25 cents, right? So a penny is worth 1 cent. Remember that? So I always point to the wrong side. If I got a quarter, it takes 25 pennies to equal 1 quarter. 4 quarters make a dollar. And this is really tricky. You'll learn this as you get older, but you count quarters by 25. So you go this. Oops, wrong side. Where is it? 25, 50, 75, a dollar. That's how you'll learn to count them as you get bigger and older. 4 quarters make a dollar. Quarters can be used to buy things from machines. People use quarters to pay for many things. So just like the other coins, we use quarters to buy things. Okay, let's look at our quarter picture. Here, yeah, here's our quarter. Who was on the front? George Washington. Yeah, you got it. You're so smart. George Washington is on our quarter. And what color is this coin? Yeah, it's silver or gray, like like the dime and the nickel, right? And what color was the penny? It's copper, like a brownish. All right. What is this on the back? You remember what we said it was? Good job. It's an eagle. Awesome. All right, I'm going to share my screen with you guys. I think. Where did it go? You see my screen? All right. Let's look at our coins again. So we have, what is this one? The penny. And who's on it? Abraham Lincoln and the Lincoln Memorial. What coin is this? The nickel. And who's on it? Thomas Jefferson, and on the back is his house called Monticello. That's hard to remember. Here's our dime. A dime is worth how many? 10 cents, right? And a nickel's worth 5 and a penny's worth 1. A dime's worth 10, but look at the size of it. It's small, isn't it? Remember, that one had the bumpy edges too. And what's on the back? We got the torch and the branches. And what is this one? This one. Those are our quarters. You're so right. All right, let's look down here. And a quarter is worth how much? 25 cents. Beautiful. All right, I want you to look through, and I want you to look and touch your screen and find all the quarters for me. All right, did you find them? I hope so. Was this one of them? No. That's a what? A nickel. Was this one of them? Yes, that was one of them. Thumbs up. All right. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Down. That's a penny, right? What about this one? Penny again. What about this one? Yeah, that's one of them. What about this one? Nope. What is that one? That's our nickel. How about this one? Yeah, that's it. That's our quarter. Is there any more in that row? Yeah, this one too, right? Good job. Good finding it. Now there's one in this bottom row. Can you tell me which one it is? When I get to it, say yell out, "Yes, Miss Reisner." Oh, I heard you. Yeah, that's it. Yes, Miss Reisner, right? That's our quarter. That's the back of our quarter. All right, let's do a quick little questions. So we found the quarters on our page. Let's do this, okay? I'm gonna show us a picture, and we're gonna decide if it's the dime, the nickel, or the penny. So you gotta tell me. Remember, dime goes d d d, nickel goes n, penny goes, and a quarter qu qu qu. Q-U. Yeah, so if we see the Q, we know that's the quarter word. All right, what is this one? Is it this one? The dime? Is it the nickel or the penny? Yeah, that's our dime. You got it. You got it. All right, next one. What is this one? The penny, the nickel, or the dime? Shout it out so I can hear you all the way at my house. Yeah, that's a dime again. Good job. Let me move this up a little bit. All right. Which coin is this? Is this the dime? Is this the penny? Or is this the nickel? What do you think? Penny? Oh, no, it's not. Oh, gosh. Okay. Is it the nickel? Yeah. The nickel's worth 5 cents. And who's on the nickel? Thomas Jefferson. All right, which one's this? Is it the penny? Yeah. How'd you know? Oh, that's Abraham Lincoln. What else? Yeah, it's brown. It's a copper. Which one's this again? Yeah, it's the penny. Here's the penny word. And what's on the back of it? The Lincoln Memorial. All right, let's see. Got it right. That's the same thing that they just showed us, isn't it? It's the penny again, isn't it? Good job. Ooh, what is this one? It's the quarter. Where's my quarter word? Qu. Starts with a qu, a q, and a u. I found it. Good work today, guys. All right, that's all we have time for today. I love you. I miss you, and I can't wait to see you. We're going to do more with money next week. Keep practicing your coins. Mwah.